Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about phonics. It will help you in word formation and pronunciation of word. So let's start with swar. A, A, double A, I, double E, U, double O, A, E, A, O, A, U, Am, AH. So this was about swar. Now let's get to Vyanjan. K, K, Kha, 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 G, Ga, Gha, Ch, C, Cha, Cha, J, Ja, Z, T, D, DH, T, D, DH, N, P, PH, B, BH, M, Y, R, L, V, SH, S, H, KSH, TR, GY or JN. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, do like, comment, share.